Hi, Kirby here at Rydell Auto Center. We have a tire here with a nail in it. As you can see, it's bubbling up there. This is a repairable tire because it's in the safe zone. Anything that's on the edge of the tread here is unrepairable and against our policy and hazardous. Here's a nail on a different tire. This one is non-repairable due to how close it is to the sidewall. What we're going to do here is pull this nail out and drill a hole where that nail came from and repair it with a plug patch. Now that the tire is dismounted, we're going to grind the surface where the patch goes. This is what the surface looks like after it's been cleaned. The next step is to apply some paste down to help seal the patch. The type of patch we use is a plug patch that we're going to pull right through that hole that was drilled. Next, we're going to pull that patch through and smooth the surface around the tire. This is what the patch looks like when we're done. Now we're going to apply some additional sealer around the patch. This is what the tire looks like after it's been repaired. Thank you for choosing Rydell Auto Center for your service needs.